Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Here, after creating this session, we need to create this slide. It's also, I'm going to use animation for the slide because the animations always look great and they have many uses. I'm going to go with the animations same as the previous slide. For that, I need to group them and then group this thing also. Where is the group option? I don't finding it. Oh, sorry, because I select this thing down, it don't give me access to group. After grouping them, I'm going to go to this slide. We have this thing here. I'm going to copy that and bring it here. And after bringing it in here, I'm going to use crop option to increase it in size to the full size. Then I'm going to put it in the place and then crop it another times to look like something like this. After that, I'm going to use crop to shape. I'm going to use some shapes, or you can just not use them. It's all on yours, but I'm going to use this shape. And after you say drop, you see the shape. Now, if we select this thing and go to animation and give it the fly in, and from the top, it's come something like this. You see that? It's maybe not good looking. Sorry, it's not good looking here very well. You see, it's coming from here and there, and I don't like it. For that, I'm going to do some modification and some changes. I'm going to go here and to the crop and crop it to the real shape, and then when you view it, it's coming from the up, but it has many problems that we need to change them. At first, we need to go to animation and set this animation to fly in also, and from the top, then we need to go to with previous and then to this duration. Then we go to animation pane and just simply align it. Now if we wait, it's look like this. But the important thing is that I don't want them to be so different. Because of that, I'm going to create it like this. You see what is the difference is? I'm making them to come at the same time. It's the way I like it. But after doing that, we need to bring our text to the front. We have a text here. I can't find it. Okay. We have a text here. This text. I bring it to front. And then this video has been created. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you need anything, ask me in the comments.